Welcome back guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Windows 11 official ISO from the official Microsoft website. So search for this Microsoft Windows download and visit the first link. Here you will see all the Windows listed down. We're going to select Windows 11 and scroll down and you will see the Windows 11 ISO. We're going to select Windows 11 and then download. Now it will ask us to choose our language, so we're going to choose English International and then confirm. So the link is valid for 24 hours. So we're going to click on 64-bit download and the download will start. You can see this is a 5 GB ISO download, so it will take some time. It's a pretty big file size. So once the file is downloaded, we're going to move it into our bootable pen drive. So just going to copy it. Copy the ISO file and paste it in the Ventoy USB drive. I already made a video how to make it, so it makes it much easier to make bootable pen drives. It makes your normal pen drive into a Ventoy USB. So I'll link that video in the description, so check that out. Simply copy paste. Now we need to boot into BIOS and boot device options, and we're going to select the USB drive and this window appears. We're going to select Windows 11 and the installation will begin. I was on the beta version, so I'm going to fresh install the official Windows 11 on my main partition. So choose your language. By default it's in English United Kingdom, so we're going to let that be. And here I'm going to choose my country, so English India. The keyboard layout should be by default, then next, and then install now. So we want to agree to the license and agreement, and we need to select custom install, so we can choose our partition. And here I have a 250 GB main partition for my Windows. I'm going to select that and I'm going to format it, so it's going to be a fresh install. All the old applications and data are going to get deleted, but my main D drive will be safe, so only the C drive will be deleted, so keep that in mind. So when this is formatted, I'm going to select next and the installation will begin. It will take a lot of time and your device will restart a couple of times, so just leave it be. So you will see this Windows 11 new setup screen. So choose your region. Your keyboard layout. Now it will ask us to connect to a network, and there is no skip button, so we have to connect to a Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So I'm going to select my Wi-Fi. It will check for updates and will take some time. Now we need to rename our PC. So choose a name. You can also skip this step, so it will again restart, and then it will ask you to enter your Microsoft account, so you cannot skip that. Then create a PIN, a 4-digit PIN, and then set up as a new device because I want a fresh install. Do remember to uncheck all these. These are ads and collects data. Then next. So I'm going to skip this. It's asking me to how you want to set up the device. I'm going to skip this as well. Now this screen will appear, and this is going to also take some time. This has a cool animation in the background. And now finally we are in the Windows 11. So this is the official release that was released by today. So I've installed the OBS Studio and I'm recording the screen, and so far the performance is really similar to the Windows beta, but I'm seeing some improvement in the animations. You can see the settings screen, and if I go to the about device, you can see the Windows 11 version says the feature experience pack, so it's no more a beta version. So if I go to the beta program in the insider, you can see it's asking me to enroll in the insider, so I'm not in the insider right now. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.